For a person who's struggling to understand their purpose and to define what that thing is, what suggestions or advice would you like to impart?
I work with a lot of young people, and this seems to be one of those questions that come up a lot. And sometimes we make it more complicated than it has to be. And again, we have to just trust the process. It may not be what we want to, where we want to be, but it, first of all, if it is trouble, it's not going to last forever, but it will develop you. And that development that you're going to gain, that wisdom, the experience you're going to gain during that time will help align you where you need to be. And then again, we're created for a specific purpose. And in order to fulfill that purpose, you may have to go through some experiences to develop you and to perfect that purpose, to perfect that way. So again, there are some things that we go through that we don't want to go through. But if we sit there and say, you know what, this is part of the plan. This is part of what I have to go through to be the person I need to be. And trust it, because we are all made for greatness. We are all made to be something special. And we have to develop that. So that purpose will be the one come forth. It will. And then you'll get that aha moment. There'll be that moment that you'll get that revelation that say, okay, that's why I had to go through what I did, because I had to fulfill this purpose. And in order to do that, I had to go through what I went through.